This episode's word is jargon. Jargon is a special language that is used by certain groups of people, like doctors or scientists. It is made up of words that are often difficult for other people to understand. For example, if a scientist talks about DNA or microbes, they are using jargon because these words may not be familiar to everyone. Let's hear an interesting story to clear the meaning of the word.
Back in the medieval times, there were many guilds that were responsible for various professions. Each guild developed their own jargon, which was a specific language used to communicate only within that particular profession. This jargon was necessary for the guild members to communicate effectively and efficiently with each other. For example, the carpenters developed a jargon that included words like mullion and lintel, which were specialized terms that only other carpenters would understand. Similarly, the blacksmiths had their own jargon that included words like blowpipe and anvil. This made it nearly impossible for an outsider to understand what was being discussed. When the printing press was invented, it suddenly became possible for literature to be produced and shared on a large scale. But with this new technology also came a new challenge: how could people who spoke different jargon understand each other when reading the same text? To solve this problem, dictionaries were created to serve as a sort of translation guide between different jargons. Over time, dictionaries evolved to include more common language used by the masses and became a valuable tool for communication. In modern times, jargon refers to specialized vocabulary used within a specific profession or group. This jargon can be difficult for outsiders to understand without some background knowledge in the specific field. It's important to keep in mind that jargon is not necessarily a bad thing, as it facilitates efficient communication between people in the same profession. But it is also important to recognize when jargon is being used unnecessarily, and to make an effort to explain concepts in simpler terms when appropriate. Jargon is a specific language or vocabulary used among a particular profession or group, often making communication difficult for those outside of that group.
We hope you enjoyed the episode, and the meaning of word jargon is crystal clear. Do subscribe to our channel for more such episodes. Thank you for listening.